Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best airbrushes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Badger Airbrush Model 2020-2F Kit. Our first airbrush model is the Badger Airbrush 2020-2F Kit. This is a model designed to deliver the ultimate level in fine line detail to professional illustrators who make use of the airbrush. It comes as a full kit which contains a fine needle, and a nozzle which sprays a hairline pattern up to 19 mm. The Badger 2020 kit is an impressive model that is exceptionally comfortable to use, very precise in operation and more reliable than other competing brands. If you ever need to make use of pine paint atomization or you require fine line detail, this airbrush from Sotar is your best option. It features an elongated body, with a reasonable distance set between the paint reservoir and the trigger. Thanks to the brand's innovative track and wing design, the back lever and trigger of this unit are assembled with ease. Proudly made in the USA, the Sotar 2020 kit features a mounted color cup that accommodates large amounts of color for more extended use before the need for a refill. The Sotar Airbrush Kit model is the ideal airbrush for commercial and fine artists with a knack for intricate detail work. If you also need useful tools for wall painting, be sure to check out our guide to the best electric paint sprayers. Moving on at number 4, we have the Neo CN Gravity Feed Dual Action Airbrush. Our second best airbrush model and the favorite of many artists globally is the Neo Gravity Airbrush, a feed dual action brush designed with a cool head for more detailed works. The detail provided with the use of this airbrush is higher than many models in the market. This gravity feed airbrush works excellently at lower air temperatures and also features a unique needle and nozzle combination, which helps deliver medium-sized and beautiful detail prey patterns. Start airbrushing now with these versatile, economical airbrushes and explore different paint styles and media with ease and comfort. The Neo series of airbrushes are a product by one of the most trusted names in the industry, Iwata. Besides its splendid performance, washing and cleaning this unit after use is effortless and easy to do. A purchase provides you with a unique needle, interchangeable large and medium cups that come with a funnel shape and a nozzle for more precise applications. The best airbrush compressor for use with this airbrush are the small air compressors, as they will produce a maximum of 20 psi, which offers greater detail in your works. All cups are straightforward to clean thanks to their design, and they also provide artists with an efficient paint flow, which helps save time during the application. At number 3, we have the Iwata-Medea Dual Action Feed Cup Airbrush. All our recommendations are based on real-time data from manufacturers and also from feedback received from several existing users. We ensure that every product we include in our list does what it promises to do and even more, and this Iwata-Medea Dual Action Feed Cup Airbrush is no exception. Over the years, we have seen the Iwata brand grown from innovation to innovation, and we have watched them create highly impressive units using state-of-the-art materials and equipment. This airbrush model ticks all the boxes for artists and illustrators. It is an excellent dual-purpose unit which features a cutaway and a preset handle which aids in precise control of paint flow while making the cleaning process a breeze. The Iwata airbrush paint uses a gravity feed cup which allows for swift changing of colors and also for the mixing of custom colors. It offers an extremely secure fit thanks to the great threads on its nozzle, and this feature enables the artists to center the nose easily. You can make use of this brush for a wide range of media since it is known as the professional's workhorse. Around the globe, the Iwata-Medea brush is referred to as the quickest airbrush in the industry, and they're not far from the truth. For more amazing products artists will love, be sure to check out our reviews of the best drawing tablets for artists. At number 2, we have the Iwata-Medea Revolution CR Dual Action. The Iwata-Medea Revolution Dual Action Airbrush comes as another amazing model from a leading brand in this industry. Iwata has brought together many professionals and artists to contribute to the design of their most fabulous model yet. This airbrush features an impressive structure and an incredible performance which comes second to none. If you ever need to make use of the best airbrush in the market, think about getting the Iwata-Medea Revolution brush. This airbrush model features the dual-action top feed system and features an internal mix of design and functionality. Ergonomics plays a massive role in the functioning of this brush, and this is seen in the unit's handle design. We love that the nozzle of this brush is enormous as it enables it to work together with the needle correctly for the spraying of heavy and thick paint. The Iwata-Medea brush is easy to assemble, thanks to its redesigned trigger mechanism and its more massive needle chucking nut. It doesn't matter which of the 4 airbrushing levels you're on. The Iwata brand has all the airbrushes you will need at high rates you can afford. And finally at number 1, we have the Badger Airbrush County 100-5, LGF, Gravity Feed Fine Head Airbrush. There is another airbrush model from the Badger brand we have come to love. It is the Badger Airbrush Model 100-5, LGF. This model is merely spectacular and is the #1 choice of countless illustrators, fine artists, and even decorative painters. It delivers a thin lineup spray pattern thanks to its fine needle and nozzle, and also comes with a 1/3 ounce mounted color cup which accommodates a lot of paint for more extended use before the need for a refill. This 100LG airbrush model helps you to clean your work efficiently, get closer to your job to provide more detail, and also to change and create new masterpieces. Enjoy art once more with this fantastic airbrush kit model as a part of your arsenal. This is an impressive unit designed with a self-lubricating needle made from PTFE material. The self-lubricating nature of the group protects the needle from any form of wear. This airbrush features a one-piece trigger which is also non-slip and a PTFE head designed to aid in the efficient airflow at all times. The Badger airbrush is made in America by a highly reputable brand, and it comes with a warranty on the needle and all other factory repairs. Our guide to the best craft knives features more awesome products for creative minds. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.